How to change your background in Google Meet. So as you can see right here, I'm currently inside a meeting. And if you want to change your background, of course, open your camera up. And once your camera is opened up, click on the three dot icon right here, which is the more options. Then click on background and effects. Then this will pop up on the right side. And what you want to do now is go to backgrounds. And once you're here, you have the option to pick from any of these backgrounds that Google Meet offers. So there's this fantasy background, stylized nature, cozy home, and the professional background. So let's say I want to use this professional background right here. So I'm just going to click on it and it will automatically apply here on my background. And if you want to add your personal background, there's also an option here at the top. So you could add your own personal background. So just simply click on it and just simply pick the picture or file that you want to choose as your background. So let's say you want to use something like this. So you just simply need to click on it, then click on open to use it as your background. And there's also an option to blur your background right here. So I could slightly blur my background and I could also fully blur it right here. And also if you want to remove a background, you just simply need to click on the background that you have chosen. So let's say I have this one, and if I want to remove it, I'll just simply click on it again. And that is how you basically change your background in Google Meet.